Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you are well by the grace of Allah with your friends and families. Welcome to our today's online class. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. This is Sifat Firdausi Shaun, lecturer, Department of Biology, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Today, I will discuss a new chapter, that is Chapter 2, Cell Division. So dear students, let's start our today's online class. We will learn from these lessons definition of cell division, explanation of cell division, importance of cell division, types of cell division, and the process of amitosis and importance of amitosis and cell cycle. First of all, we have to know the definition of cell division. The process in which a cell produces its identical replica is known as cell division. In another word, the process by which a parent cell divides into two or more daughter cells is called cell division. In 1882, Walter Fleming first of all observed the cell division in marine salamander Tritodus maculosa. In unicellular organisms, cell division is the means of reproduction. In multicellular organisms, it is the means of tissue growth and maintenance. The growth and division of different cell populations are regulated in different ways, but the basic mechanisms are similar throughout multicellular organisms. No cell division held in red blood cell, nerve cells, smooth muscle cells, that is skeletal and cardiac muscle of animal, and permanent cells of plants. Now I will describe the significance of cell division. Cell division provides three specific purposes in living organisms. Number 1, reproduction. In unicellular organisms, cell division is the means of asexual reproduction which produces two or more new individuals from the mother cell. The group of such identical individuals is known as clone. Gametes, that is sperms and ovum of sexually reproductive organisms, are produced through cell division. And then number 2, growth and development. In multicellular organisms, life starts from a single cell called zygote, that is fertilized egg. In your exam, what is zygote? It can come as a knowledge-based question. The zygote transforms into an adult that is composed of millions of cells formed by successive divisions. And then number 3, tissue renewal. New cells replace old or damaged cells through cell division and differentiation. Stem cells can divide and differentiate, specializing to form cells of every tissue type in an organism. So that's all our significance of cell division. Now I will tell you that types of cell division. Cell division actually in some books you will find the two types, that is direct and indirect cell division, but in some books you will find the three types. Actually the cell division is of three types. One is amitosis or direct cell division. In the indirect cell division, mitosis and meiosis actually happened. So one is amitosis or direct cell division, number 2 is mitosis or equational cell division, and number 3 meiosis or reductional cell division. Today I will describe the process of amitosis cell division. Amitosis cell division came from Greek word. Greek A is equal to no, mitosis is equal to thread, and osis is equal to state, is a mode of division in which nucleus elongates, constricts in the middle and divides directly into two daughter nuclei. All the prokaryotic cells divide in the process of amitosis. Besides this, the yeasts, that means fungi, embryonic membrane, cells of vertebrate and the initial cells producing eggs of fishes divide in this process. Now, I will describe the process of amitosis cell division, and first of all you should know what is amitosis. Amitosis is a mode of division in which nucleus elongates, constricts in the middle and divides directly into two daughter nuclei. So, in the process of amitosis cell division, you have to write, this is our parent cell, or you can say this is our mother cell, and this is the cytoplasm, this part is cytoplasm and this is our nucleus. So, in this case this nucleus directly divides into two parts. The nucleus, first of all, this nucleus is elongates and becomes dumbbell shaped and then divides it into in the middle of the cell and subsequently divides into two parts. As a result, two daughter cells are produced from a single cell. Each daughter cell, these are daughter cell, each daughter cell gradually grows and ultimately develops into mother cell. So, first of all you have to draw the parent cell, and here I write the karyokinesis. Karyokinesis means what? The division of nucleus is called karyokinesis. Here as you can see, the nucleus is elongates and here nucleus constricted in this space, and here nucleus is divides, and the division of nucleus is called karyokinesis, and after the division of nucleus cytoplasm is divided, and then it is called, the division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis. After the division of nucleus, cytoplasm is divided, and then these two daughter cells, this is our two daughter cells, dividing daughter cells, this is one daughter cells and this is another daughter cells, and cell become separated and these two daughter cells are produced, and so this is our amitosis cell division. First of all, this is our mother cell or parent cell, and then karyokinesis happened, that is division of nucleus, and then here constrictions, nucleus constriction occurred and depression also happened in the cytoplasm, and the division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis, and then cell become separated and divide here to dividing two daughter cells. So, I hope you understand the process of amitosis cell division. This is very easy. Now, I will describe the importance of amitosis cell division. Number 1. According to Strasburger, 1892, the developed and complex cell divisions have originated from the amitosis division. Number 2. In some unicellular organisms, the process of amitosis cell division is fruitful and in the only way of reproduction. Now, I will go to the another topics, that is cell cycle, and this is a very important for you, cell cycle. So, I will give the definition of cell cycle in the beginning. So, Formation of a cell, its growth and thereafter division of the cell take place following specific order, which is known as the cell cycle. Howard and Pelk in 1953 divided the cell cycle into 4 phases, that is G1, S, G2 and M phase. Among these phases, the G1, S, G2 are collectively called interphase and M phase is called the mitosis phase. Nuclear division occurs in mitosis phase. Interphase is the resting phase between successive mitotic divisions of a cell or between the first and second divisions of meiosis. The interphase comprises of the 90 to 95% duration of the cell cycle, and the mitosis phase has only 5 to 10%. Here you can see this is the diagram of cell cycle. You can see the interphase and cell division phase. In the interphase stage, G1 phase, S and G2, and in the cell division or M phase, you can see prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Now I will describe the different phases of cell cycle. A. Interphase. Interphase is the phase of the cell cycle in which a typical cell spends most of its life. During this phase, the cell copies its DNA in preparation for mitosis. Interphase is the metabolic phase of the cell, in which the cell obtains nutrients and metabolizes them, grows, reads its DNA and conducts other normal cell functions. The majority of eukaryotic cells spend most of their time in interphase. Here you can see a diagram, that is the cell cycle diagram. Here you can see this is interphase stage, that is G1, S, G2 equivalently called interphase, and then M phase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, all the things are accumulatively called mitotic phase or M phase. You can see the G1 is the first growth phase and GS is the DNA replication or synthesis phase, and G2 is the growth and preparation for mitosis, and this is the second growth phase, and then mitotic phase or M phase occurred. There are 3 stages of cellular interphase. Number 1, G1 phase. It starts immediately after the previous division. Therefore, G1 is called gap 1 phase or first growth phase. Synthesis of functional proteins and RNA takes place. The cell grows in volume. It covers the 30 to 40% duration of cell cycle. Now, number 2 is S phase. It is the period during which DNA synthesis occurs, hence called the synthesis phase. This results in doubling of the chromosomal threads. It covers the 35 to 45% duration of cell cycle. Duration of S phase in mammals is 7 hours. And then number 3, G2 phase. It is the last part of interphase and occurs just before the new cell division. Hence, G2 is called gap 2 phase or second growth phase. It begins after completion of DNA synthesis in the S phase and ends when new division, that is karyokinesis, commences. So these are all about interphase, and now I will go to the M phase or mitosis phase. This is the top significant phase in cell cycle. It begins at the end of G2 phase and continues till the introduction of G phase. It covers the 10 to 20% duration of cell cycle, and during this period mitosis division of cell happened, hence called the mitosis phase or M phase. In this phase, a parent cell divides into two daughter cells. Duration of M phase in mammals is 1 to 1.5 hours. The total duration of a cell cycle varies greatly in different organisms and under different conditions. That is, it may be as short as 20 to 30 minutes in the bacteria Escherichia coli and or E. coli, or may take 12 to 24 hours as in most higher plants and animals. Now I will describe the significance or importance of cell cycle. Number 1. In multicellular organism, the cycling type of cells, dividing cells, help in reproduction, growth and replacement of dead cells, healing of wounds, etc. Number 2. The interphase allows time for synthesis and growth of the dividing cells. Number 3. Properly controlled and regulated cell cycle results in normal and proportionate growth of organisms. Number 4. Loss of control over the cell cycle can lead to cancerous growth, or it may cause cancer. Now is time for homework. Your homework will be what is cell cycle and the different stages of cell cycle. Please submit your homework in your respective subject wise homework group. If you have any query, you can ask your subject teacher. So dear students, thank you for being with me. Stay home and stay safe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.